How to remove black boxes on desktop icons on Windows 11 or 10. First of all, clear icon cache. For that, open the Run dialog. For that, you need to simply right-click on the Start menu. Click Run. Now type in local app data % and then click OK button. The local window appears where you need to click on View button at top right corner of the screen. Click on Show. Now click on Hidden Items. After that, click on OK button and click on Cross button. And after that, you simply need to find the folder and click three dots. Then click on Option and you have to go to View tab. Then select Hidden Files, Folders and Drive and you have to click Apply and OK. And there, you can locate icon cache file and delete it. Then restart your computer. So this was one of the first steps. The second one is simply, you can use command prompts. For that, again you have to right click on the Start menu. And here you need to search for command prompt. If you don't get this way, simply you can click the search icon and type in CMD. Now click on Open button. And from this command prompt, you simply need to run the following commands or prompts one by one. So these are simply some of the following commands, and after that you need to wait for each command to complete before proceeding to the next. After that, you need to restart your computer and then this will fix the errors or this will remove black boxes on desktop icons in Windows 11 or 10. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.